Imagine a machine that knits a complete sweater, start to finish, with zero sewing. No stitching it together afterward, no separate pieces. It comes out of the machine already a finished garment. That machine exists, and it's one of the cheapest ways to get into garment manufacturing today. It's called a whole garment machine, or a knit-to-shape machine. And unlike traditional knitting setups, it doesn't need any other machine to finish the product. One machine, one process. A complete sweater comes out the other end. Let's look at why this beats the traditional way of doing things.
Traditional flat knitting machines skip all of that. Because the garment is produced as one complete piece, the final sweater is soft, comfortable, and free of those classic stitching defects. Here's the biggest shift. This machine removes the entire sewing production stage. There's no linking machine, no separate sewing line, no extra step between knitted and finished garment. That means production moves faster. What used to take multiple stages and multiple machines now happens in one continuous process.
This is where the labor advantage really stands out. A normal computerized flat knitting setup needs sewing workers and sewing inspectors on top of machine operators. With a knit-to-shape machine, none of that is needed. One single operator can supervise 20 of these machines running at the same time. Compare that to a normal knitting machine where one operator can only handle around 10. That's double the oversight capacity with a fraction of the staff a sewing-based operation would need. Because there's no sewing machine, no linking machine, and no related sewing equipment needed, your production floor shrinks. Roughly 20% less sewing-related floor space required.
And there's another hidden saving: yarn. This machine dramatically reduces yarn loss during knitting, meaning far less waste yarn compared to conventional methods. Less space, less waste, less equipment. That's a leaner operation from day one. Put all of this together, fewer production stages, minimal labor, a smaller floor footprint, and reduced material waste, and you get a business with a genuinely low starting cost and low ongoing overhead. That's rare in garment manufacturing, where sewing labor and floor space are usually the biggest expenses. This machine strips both of those down dramatically. And sweaters aren't a niche product. They're worn in nearly every country on Earth, across seasons and markets. That universal demand is exactly what makes a home-based or small-scale knitting operation viable almost anywhere. If you're looking for a low-cost manufacturing business you can start small and scale up, the whole garment knitting machine is worth a serious look. Let me know in the comments if you'd consider this one, and subscribe for more affordable business ideas like this every week.